10 incredible benefits of spinach you didn't know about. Green salad glowing star. Spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a superfood packed with powerful nutrients that can transform your health. Curious to know how? Let's explore 10 incredible benefits of spinach that you need to know. Number 1. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, K, iron, calcium, and magnesium, all essential for your overall health. Number 2. Its high vitamin C content strengthens your immune system, helping you fight off colds and illnesses. Number 3. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure, keeping your heart in great shape. Number 4. Spinach is a great source of vitamin K and calcium, both of which are essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Number 5. Feeling tired? The iron in spinach helps fight fatigue and boosts your energy naturally. Number 6. Spinach is packed with antioxidants that help detox your liver and cleanse your body of toxins. Number 7. Spinach's high vitamin A content helps your skin stay hydrated and glowing, reducing dryness and acne. Number 8. The iron and vitamin E in spinach strengthen your hair and promote healthier growth. Number 9. Low in calories and high in fiber, spinach keeps you full longer, making it perfect for weight loss. And finally, number 10. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of vision problems. From boosting energy to protecting your eyes, spinach is truly a superfood. So, how will you add spinach to your diet? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health tips. See you next time.